Surprise! Oh, this is crazy.
Oh my God.
Jesus!
Oh my God. Oh my God, are you kidding? Oh God, it's gorgeous.
The shock and the surprise and utter delight, words can't express. Wow, oh my goodness. Mom, it looks like the beach.
Now I know the DeCola house is little, but it's filled with a lot of love. And they've been waiting for a long time for someone to come and help them out. That's what we're here to do today.
I mean, our house is so small for the three of us. Like, we don't really have any place. We don't ever sit down and have like a family dinner at a table because we don't have the room or like anywhere to do that. I go to all my friends' houses and all their family has like dinner together, and we don't really have that a lot. I would like to be able to like have conversations every day after work or school or whatever we have and be able to like be together more.
Like we say, little house, a lot of love, and that's what it is. Everything is full of love here.
Hi ladies, how are ya? Hi. How's everyone? Did you have a nice stay?
Yeah, I'm excited to be home.
I bet you're ready to come home, huh?
We're ready to come home. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It has been an amazing experience renovating this place. You guys ready to see the reveal?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna go around the house because I think it's gonna make for a better surprise.
Okay.
I'm freaking out right now.
Oh my God. Is this my house?
Oh my God.
Oh my,
Oh my God.
is this my house? Oh my Lord. Is this really my house?
I didn't know what was going to be done exactly, but no, I didn't expect it to be just so bright and airy and just beautiful. It's beautiful.
We're already really close, and I think that this space is just going to make us even closer. We're going to spend even more time together. I'm going to cry. I'm turning into mom. I can't even think right now. There's a lot going through my mind. All I know is that my house is amazing, and I'm so happy. I'm never going back to college.
Here you are. And then she's going, and I got this by myself. Oh, this is just
I
beautiful.
can't
Thank
even.
you. I got to soak it all in.
This is not our house.
So this is one of the nicer changes you've ever seen, you said?
I mean, I think it's pretty dramatic, but
I think
you're the
it's
one who lives here. You tell me.
I have stage 4 metastatic breast cancer. It's incurable, but there are people who live many, many years with it, and I intend to be one of them.
In a matter of a few months, we had a house that was flooded. My mom had a cancer recurrence, and we were so busy just helping everybody else manage their claims and trying to get back home that the to-do list at our house got longer and longer.
Welcome home!
George!
Oh, thank you, George.
Good to see you. You guys want to see what we've been up to?
Absolutely.
Yes, we do.
All right.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Follow me.
My first reaction when I came in the house was utter shock. This is unbelievable. It's not just a kitchen, it's a work of art. I could have never done this.
Get my pillow, I'm sleeping here. I'm really just proud of how beautiful it is.
I do not think that Marlena could have done a better job just getting to know my mom and bringing her closed-minded traditional style into a more modern time.
This is amazing.
Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Look at just that much more open, how much bigger this feels. Hillary and I are going to be able to work in the kitchen together, and I'm just so excited to do that again.
Today, we're gonna go and let Matthew and Daniel know that we got their email. Their mom, Terry, 3 years ago, was diagnosed with ALS, and I just wanna do what I can to help them help their mom. Hey guys, welcome home! Hey Terry, give me one of those famous hugs. Aww. What's up guys?
George, good to see you.
Welcome home, welcome
George,
home.
great to see you. Yep.
Well, we came here with two main criteria. We want to give you privacy and we want to give you accessibility. I am very proud of the transformation that we've done inside your house. You want to come home?
Ready?
You ready?
Yep. Do you see this? Look at your new room. Check you out. Oh, it used to be open like there's. You wanna trade rooms? Yeah, you wanna trade rooms? It feels kind of like you're at the beach. A little paradise when when you have to stay home for most of the time, you get to be in your own vacation. I never expected this. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Well, don't thank me yet. We're not done.
No way. Are you kidding? Ma, look at this. Are you kidding? Oh my God, this is. Thank you so much, she says. This is gonna make everything so much easier. It's big enough for her to do a full turn in there. She can take a shower. There's the full bathroom that's fully handicap accessible. It's gonna completely transform the way that she is living at this house.
Raising 3 kids is hard work. Trust me, I have 3 of my own and a 4th on the way. What the Gatons really need is a safe kitchen where they can cook, they can gather, and they can be together. In their current kitchen, it's just not up to par.
I would love to see something good happen for my parents after all the hard work they've done for us. I think it would be very rewarding to them to finally have the kitchen they've always wanted.
Holy Jesus! Oh my God! Oh my God! Are you kidding? Oh God, it's gorgeous!
Who lives here?
I hope I don't curse too much.
Look at this fireplace, Dawn.
I know.
It's a little brighter in here, right?
A little.
Oh my God, it is beautiful.
The living room is light, comfortable.
It's a happy space.
It feels like us.
2 words.
This is unbelievable. It was supposed to be the kitchen.
This is the best case of collateral damage, you know?
Look at this. Oh my God.
Look at.
Oh my. Oh, I can't. I know. I'm saying it must be. It's going to be.
This is crazy. A gas stove, thank you, God. You got your kitchen, girl.
Oh my.
You got your kitchen, huh?
This week's rescue brings us to the Springfield, Virginia home of Laura Ballin. For over 30 years, Laura has volunteered to improve the lives of American armed service heroes in Washington, D.C. While Laura's passion to help others requires her to live an active lifestyle, she also suffers from multiple sclerosis, a disease that makes her day-to-day activities challenging. Laura's symptoms frequently leave her feeling uncomfortable and fatigued, especially when overexposed to the sun. Because of her physical struggles and her busy schedule, home improvement just wasn't a reality. Until we received a letter from her daughter Amanda, who asked if there was some way we could surprise her mom with a sunroom in which she could relax without worry. With everything that she has done for our country's veteran community, Laura is a hero in her own right, and we are here to give her the rescue she needs and deserves. So without further ado, what do you say, huh? You ready to come home?
I'm ready to go home.
All right. You ready to see what we've done?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Welcome home.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Mom, it looks like the beach. Mom, terrific. This is amazing. It looks terrific. Oh, Mom, look, they left you a love note. That's cool. I don't think I'll ever erase that. Like a handshake, you know, of a celebrity, and you never want to wash your hand again. That's how this is.
I'm not a celebrity. I'm your friend. You want to go outside?
I do.
All right.
Let's go.
You ready?
Let's go. Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh my God. Look at the fireplace. Oh my goodness. perfect. You did a great job. You
what
did
I
a great
can.
job. Thank you so much. It's just terrific. Absolutely terrific.
I was diagnosed in February of 2015 with breast cancer. It was right after my 40th birthday. I was the healthiest I've ever been in my life, and then boom.
Honestly, I didn't even know how to deal with it. It's like you're back against the wall, and it was very, very difficult, it was. And she pulled through. She's a trooper. It didn't stop her.
Raquel has been through so much, yet she continues to put others first. And because of that, her home office has taken a back seat. I want to help her with her life-changing work by creating a very special space for the whole family. Welcome home.
Thank you.
We're all living through this storm, and I felt like you guys, your home needs to be the eye. It needs to be that calm while the craziness goes around you. Without further ado, you want to see what we did?
Ready?
Yes.
All right, follow me.
Oh, what is happening to my life? Walking into the house, it was like walking into my heart. George!
Yes.
Oh my God. I'm
Thank you.
speechless. I have to tell you, I'm speechless. I'm never speechless.
You're never speechless. You're just getting
no
started.
words.
You're getting started. All right, keep on going, keep on going. We'll save the dessert for last.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Oh, wow.
Look at the chandelier. Chandelier you always want.
Yes.
Well, we want to add a little
Oh
glam, you know?
my
She's the only girl in a house full of boys, you know? We knew you needed more storage, so we wanted to give you more built-in. So there's organization galore.
Whose house is this, George? God.
It's your house. Shall we?
Yes.
Surprise! Oh, this is crazy.
Oh my God. Oh my God, this.
This is not the same room.
Oh my
And truly a throne for a queen.
Look how pretty. We provide safe spaces for women every single day. And this is now gonna be my safe space where I can reflect on the work that I do, but also purpose every minute of my day in a guided way where I can continue to make the impact that I do. Be your own kind of beautiful.
I was diagnosed with ALS September 27, 2012. It was awful. I mean, you couldn't have had worse words escape a doctor's mouth. We had been discussing having a child. I looked at him and I said, no kid, I'm sorry, I'm not bringing a child into this. Well, we didn't know I was already pregnant at that time.
It was like the lowest low to the highest high.
It was the conundrum of emotions. Look what she's gonna have to go through. Every day's a new challenge with this disease. You don't know what's gonna work when you wake up.
Mike and Donna, they just scrambled. They put together a bedroom for their daughter and at the same time started retrofitting their house. The last thing that they have to do is the bathroom. But here's the caveat. They have one bathroom in their house.
It's not old, it's not antiquated, it's just not functional for somebody in a wheelchair. It's too small.
It's pretty dangerous for me to get up and risk falling to brush my teeth, use the facilities. I can now park my wheelchair next to the bathtub and fall in, but I can't get out.
I'm very concerned about the bathroom safety because if she slips, she's gonna get very hurt.
If George can come in and rescue the fear that I feel inside on a daily basis, that would be magnificent.
What's up, Mike, Michaela,
Hey, George.
Donna? How are you guys?
How are you?
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Hi, Donna.
Hi.
What do you say we go inside and see what we did?
Let's do it.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right. All right, guys. Welcome home.
Michaela, do you recognize this place?
Oh my goodness, what's that, baby girl?
Wow.
That wasn't part of the plan, George.
When I came through the front door into the house, I just immediately went speechless like I am right now. Look at this.
Michaela, whose house is this?
This looks like a seashore resort.
The shock and the surprise and utter delight, words can't express. Crazy, excited.
The reason we came here in the first place was because you needed a new bathroom. So what do you say? Shall we head down the hall?
Let's go.
All right.
Oh my goodness! Holy cannoli. Mommy can roll in.
This is our new house.
This is our new house. Everything is new.
I have no words. The comfort of being able to roll up to a sink and wash my hands or rinse my mouth or wash my face.
Do you like it?
Do you understand the depth of gratitude?
Mommy can get right to the sink. You say thank you, Mr. George?
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Give him a big hug.
I can, wow, okay, thanks. Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.